Have you ever been late and didn't know what to say in English? Don't worry. Today, I'll teach you natural, polite, and smart English sentences you can use anytime you're late.
And trust me, these phrases sound way better than just saying, "Sorry, I'm late." Let's start.
Welcome back to Smart English Talk. Today's lesson is all about real-life English you need when you're running late.
Let's learn the best phrases, plus a real conversation and a fun quiz. Stay with us till the end.
Useful phrases for being late. Use these to sound natural, not rude. Polite apologies. I'm really sorry for being late. Sorry, I'm running behind schedule. Thanks for waiting for me.
Reasons. Natural English. Traffic was heavier than usual. I got stuck in a meeting. Something urgent came up.
When you want to sound professional. I appreciate your patience. I'll make sure this doesn't happen again. Let's get started right away. Jack, you're late again. What happened this time?
I know, I'm really sorry for being late. Traffic was heavier than usual today.
Okay, but you should have told me.
You're right. Thanks for waiting for me. I should have called.
It's fine. Are you ready to start?
Absolutely. Let's get started right away. I'll make sure this doesn't happen again.
Good. See? This is exactly how you can talk naturally when you're late.
Practice section. Repeat after me. I'm running behind schedule. I appreciate your patience.
Now you try. Traffic was heavier than usual.
Quick quiz for retention. If you're late to work, which is the best sentence? A. Yo, traffic yar. B. Sorry, I'm running behind schedule. C. Wait, what happened?
Correct answer is B. Sorry, I'm running behind schedule. It's natural, polite, and professional.
Today we learned how to apologize politely, give natural reasons, speak professionally, use real conversation phrases.
Use these lines anytime you're late. They always work.
If you enjoyed this real-life English lesson, hit like.
And subscribe for more easy English conversations every day.
Thank you all so much for listening. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and have fun.
Bye, everyone. See you on the next episode.